Henan China First Engineering Technology Company Limited, located in Zhengzhou, Henan, China, is a professional provider of mining and building aggregate crushing, screening, and sand washing solutions. Our products consist of mobile stone crusher plant, jaw crusher, cone crusher, vertical shaft impact crusher, vibrating screens, conveyor systems, stone crusher parts, and mine mills. We aim to help our customers be more efficient, more productive, and more profitable. We have top-class personnel in areas such as process engineering, sales, and customer service, means that we are able to be your partner in material processing from start to finish. Our cooperated factory employs the highest standards for engineering and manufacturing, and all the equipment passes the CE certification. Our equipment is known for its reliability and long service life. Our products have been exported to more than 20 countries, covering Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, and the Americas. Agents have also been developed in Poland, Peru, Philippines, Libya, Australia, Uganda, and other countries and regions. Our products are widely used in industries of mining, cement, and construction, etc. We persevere to create more competitiveness and reliable brand with technological innovation and provide customers with more professional, more advanced, and higher quality products and services through strict control of each production procedure. We are looking forward to conduct business with customer based on long-term, enduring relationships, trust, and perseverance.
Hello, all friends. Welcome to CFTC Company. CFTC is a professional company for stationary and mobile crushing plant in China. During these past years, we have supplied professional services for more than 1,000 clients throughout the world. If you have any requirement, welcome to call us. CFTC will be your strong support in mining business.